Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for everyone. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, "The key to ambition is remembering that your peace matters more than your performance." End quote. Ambition is not the enemy of the soul. It was placed inside you for a reason. The desire to build, to create, to expand, to achieve. These are not distractions from your spiritual path, but more so they are invitations to express it. The problem is not ambition itself, but forgetting who you are while chasing it. So when your goals begin to define your worth, when your success becomes your identity, when rest feels like failure, that is when the soul begins to feel heavy. True ambition is different. It is rooted in purpose, not pressure. It is driven by alignment and not comparison. You see, my friends, you can want more for your life and still move gently. You can build wealth without worshiping it. You can climb higher without stepping on your integrity. The key, my friends, is remembering that your peace matters more than your performance. If your ambition costs you your health, your relationships, your authenticity, or your inner stillness, then it is no longer ambition. It is escape dressed as success. Your soul does not need applause. It needs truth. It needs space to breathe while you build. So having ambition without losing your soul means checking in on yourself as often as you check your progress. It means asking the right questions like, does this feel like me? It means being willing to walk away from something impressive if it pulls you away from your values. It means celebrating growth without becoming addicted to validation. You see, my friends, you are allowed to dream big, but let your dreams expand your heart and not harden it. Let your success makes you softer, kinder, more grounded, more giving, and not more anxious or guarded. You do not have to choose between being spiritually aligned and being materially successful. The world needs conscious builders. It needs leaders who remember compassion while making decisions. It needs entrepreneurs who care about impact as much as income. It needs ambitious people who refuse to trade their integrity for influence. So when your ambition flows from love rather than lack, it becomes sacred. It becomes service. It becomes a reflection of your inner evolution. So in closing, my friends, go after what your heart desires. Go after your dreams. Work hard. Create boldly. Expand fearlessly. But return to yourself often. And last but most definitely not the least, protect your quiet moments. Protect your character. Protect the version of you that exists when no one is watching. Because at the end of every achievement, my friends, when the noise fades and the world grows still, the only thing that will matter is whether you still recognize the person in the mirror and whether your soul feels at home in the life you built. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.